Hello everyone, Larry Leverich for Ichimoku.co and ForexTrading.tv with a daily analysis for gold futures for the trading day ending Monday, January 27th, 2014. Well, a very large black body candle today, and the sellers have taken control of this market for today's trading. For the previous two trading days we had white body candles, the buyer is in control, and for the day prior to today's trading, a spinning top type candle at the end of a significant uptrend. For today's trading, a candle that was strong enough to take out the previous high, suggesting that the buyers were committed to taking this market higher. But then, as evidenced by this large shadow on the top of this candle, we saw the buyers lose commitment as they interacted with the top of the cloud, and this highlights how the Ichimoku cloud can act as areas of support or resistance. And whereas we had the bottom of the cloud acting as resistance over the past couple of weeks, here now today we've seen the top of the cloud act as resistance for this market, and selling off quite strongly to give us a market where the sellers have closed with control. The sellers were able to take out the 1266 previous support and resistance level, and that may be significant, but we did see some support come in around the Tenkan-sen, which is at 1256, and then the market testing roughly down to the 1250 area. And 1250 has been an important region of support and resistance, and moving forward for tomorrow's trading, there is still a possibility that that area may act as support for this market, and we could see the market bounce off there. If the market does bounce, 1266 may provide resistance. That's that area there that the market traded through today. But if the 1250 level fails to hold, potentially strong support down around this 1237 down to about 1230 level. We have a previous swing high, a swing low here, and previous swing highs here, an important area that has been tested multiple occasions, and then down just below there the bottom of the cloud, and then just below that the Kijun-sen trading around that area. So very, very strong potential support down below. Now the trend hasn't changed technically in this with this candle. The trend is still technically up, and we have an outside day in bar chart terms, but this is also a bearish engulfing candle, and a very, very strong possibility of this market trading lower. And with all Japanese candlestick reversal patterns, we want confirmation. So confirmation of this reversal pattern would be the opposite configuration of the high and low to change the trend, and that would be a lower high and a lower low. So that makes the area around 1250 very, very important. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously still a neutral market in big picture terms by trading within the cloud. Had been trading down below the cloud for quite some time. We had this significant breakout into the cloud with this solid bullish candle, finding resistance around the 1266 level, and now price action has been maintained within the cloud for the past 3 trading days, suggesting that the market's settling down within there, and a market that is attempting to make its mind up, and we could eventually see a breakout up above the cloud. A bullish market in the medium and fast term time frames, and for today's trading, that Tenkan-sen has held as support, and bullish with the market trading just above there technically, but trading so close to the Tenkan-sen that we're really quite neutral in that fast term time frame, and suggesting a possibility of a breakout down below there, but bearing in mind solid support close by. The market is still trading up above the Kijun-sen, suggesting a bullish market in the medium term time frame, and the Chikou span, and this is important, is now trading above the corresponding price action. And that's confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in that medium-term time frame, and suggesting that there is a possibility of this market trading to higher levels. Now, if we do eventually see this market trade up outside of the cloud, then we do have some resistance above the cloud around the round number 1300, and that may be a significant area that the market holds at. So we will be watching that if we do see the breakout to the upside. But with this current candle being bearish and a potential bearish engulfing pattern, we are looking for the market to trade lower. 1250 becomes very, very important for this market, but the downside potential may be limited if we do see that change of trend.